everyone, I'm Rachel and welcome back to another sculpt tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some cute Halloween clay ghosts. They're super simple, beginner friendly and perfect for spooky season. Here's everything you're going to need from your Sculpd kit, plus some water and paint pens. Starting off with your ball of clay, you want to section this off into 4 balls. 3 for the ghosts and a little bit extra for the accessories. Start by smoothing each ball out like this and making them an oblong shape. Then using the pinch method, we're going to hollow each of these balls out and create a kind of frilly skirt at the bottom to give the ghost some shape. I'm just going around pinching the sides and then smoothing it all out to create that ghost shape. And then moving on and doing that to all 3. After that, we need to make some little ghost arms. So I rolled out some tiny little balls of clay and then scoring and slipping and attaching them on using a sponge and a paintbrush. For the smallest one, I decided to make the arms kind of stick out a little bit. Here I'm just using the modelling tool to really attach those arms to the ghost. To personalise the ghost, I'm going to add some little accessories. So I'm adding a bag to this one with a little handle. Again, just using a paintbrush to really weld that on. And next I'm just going to make a little witch hat for one of the ghosts. And again, scoring and slipping to attach that on. After the ghosts have dried a little bit, I'm going to paint each one with 2 coats of white paint. Then comes the fun bit. I'm using my paint pens to add some detail and adding some little accessories to each ghost. Last but not least, I'm using my gloss Sculpd varnish to seal everything in and make them nice and glossy, and there we have it. If you make your own ghost family, please remember to tag us. We love to see how you personalise yours. And you can find our Sculpd kits linked below with everything you need to get started.